In this lecture, we will discuss an option called Selected Contours that is available in features like Extruded Boss and Extruded Cut. With the Selected Contours option, we are able to select specific enclosed shapes to which the feature will apply to. For example, the sketch on the right has 5 different enclosed shapes or contours. With Selected Contours, we can choose only Extrude Boss 3 of those shapes, which will give us the shape on the left. To demonstrate using Selected Contour option, we will create the following model. Notice that in the drawing, we have highlighted both the sketch and the model resulted from it. So let us start by first creating the sketch. We will first make sure our measurement system is set to MMGS, which is the case, and then I will select the top plane for this. I will start by sketching the 2 circles. So there's an outer circle and an inner circle. And then the circles are divided by 4 lines. So let's go ahead and sketch those up. And those lines have an angle of 45 degrees between them. So let's go ahead and set this up. And then the last angle we don't really need to set because it is fully defined as 45 already. So we can just leave that dimension as driven. For the circles, the inner circle has a diameter of 60 millimeter and the outer circle have a diameter of 100 millimeter. And this completes our sketch. Notice that in the sketch, we have a large number of enclosed shapes. However, we don't want to extrude all, we only want to extrude 4 of them. To do that, we're going to go to the feature as normal. So we select Extruded Boss feature. And then because we have a lot of enclosed shapes, SolidWorks will automatically turn on the Selected Contours option. And we are requested to select which of those contours or shapes we would like to extrude. So we want this, 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 and this. We will set the depth of the extrusion to 10 millimeter and then apply the feature. And with this, we will end up with the shape we have in the drawing. One aspect we can note is that we can also create the same model without using Selected Contours. Instead, we can simply sketch this shape by sketching different arcs and lines and connected them together in somehow. However, this would have been a relatively complex sketch that would be difficult to create. However, looking at it from the perspective of a divided circle, it will be much easier to create. So this option of Selected Contours is not a necessity. However, it will save us time in the creation of models.